At the AI Factory, we moved in April, so about 2 months. We've been here now and it's awesome. We love it here.
It's a perfect place to exchange ideas and get connected to other players and startups in this field.
The mission of the AI Factory is to build an ecosystem around the supercomputer. There are a lot of supercomputers in Europe, but the biggest problem was that there is no ecosystem around them.
One of our teams is building a layer of abstraction that makes it easier to deal with a supercomputer. On top of that, we also offer all the services that are needed around that. That means that we offer consulting regarding supercomputing, but also everything that has to do with AI on supercomputers.
We support them in technical, in legal, and also in business topics. And we have also a hub in Vienna for the startups. They have co-working spaces. They can have access to training, to workshops, and also to events.
The AI Factory actually compensates the lack of experience in fields we don't have and gives us the possibility to really focus on the technological side and just increase the gap between our competitors.
We also get access to the high performance clusters that we can use to train AI models for humanoid robots.
There are so many connections and people you get to meet. When we walk into the office now, we see so many other startups working on a specialized thing, and it motivates a lot.
And we are 3 former visual effects artists who worked on Hollywood productions. And right now we are doing generative AI. We have created an agency which focuses on local production. Like we are doing everything on a local base with open source tools and try to avoid any kind of proprietary tools.
We are developing software right now that makes it possible to use different humanoid robotics hardware and train it and operate it for specific use cases, for example, on production lines or in critical infrastructure.
We do B2B communication solutions driven by AI for media companies and corporate communications. And Eustella is our new baby, the startup inside the startup. And I mean it as bold as it sounds. It's the European ChatGPT alternative. Big things are moving here in Europe. The AI Factory here in Vienna for me is a big signal that the important steps are being taken. So it's a great place to be right now.